My second day on the show floor of CES 2013 started out with a lot of cars. Most manufacturers were just showing off new in-dash systems, but the Solowheel caught my eye as a new way to get around. I have to confess, if I was on a Solowheel, I think I'd be a little happier than that. Auto manufacturers weren't the only ones into cars. nVidia had nVidia power cars. What makes these so special to be coming from nVidia? I'm not quite sure, but I bet you these cars go from 0 to 60 frames per second with no lag. Perhaps the more interesting thing I saw at the nVidia booth was the new optimized system that nVidia is going to start bundling with its drivers mid this year. This is a one-button click system that optimizes your game for your nVidia card on your PC without you having to do anything but click one button. In the Qualcomm booth, they had set up a demo of the Snapdragon mobile graphics processor. This thing looks amazing. I cannot wait for these to be in mobile devices. I got some hands-on time with the Razer Edge. The cool thing about this is it's running Windows 8, full-blown Windows 8. Launch your Steam games and play them on your tablet. The downside is that I found the controls a little uncomfortable. It really is all about the thumbs. It's kind of uncomfortable to squeeze your thumb down instead of just rock your thumb side to side as you would with the normal controller. There were many 3D printers being shown at CES this year, and I got to check out the Afina and also the Objet 24. The interesting thing I saw about the Objet 24 was that its laser-cured process allows it to print soft material as well as hard material in the same print. Of course, 3D printing wasn't the only printing being shown. There was the Tats and Nails system, which prints images onto your fingernails. Now this is just me, but if the person given the demo has 2 of their fingers bandaged up, I'm not letting them stick my hand inside of anything. I spent a good deal of time playing with the Bird by Leonardo. This is a 3D mouse system with a head tracking display. It took a moment to get used to it, but once I started playing with the editing, I could see how this could be really useful for a 3D modeler. I ended my day checking out some robots. The first booth I stopped at was the Aerodrone and watched these guys do a coordinated dance.
see some serious shit.
Perhaps the more useful robot I saw that day was the Luge by iRobot, makers of Roomba. This little guy cleans out your gutters.